these cars already seeing a lot of excessive damage from them two heats. Bit of a fire started up on that 44X of Adam Oakley, and it looks like he's going to be done right there. Everything's okay with him though, and just an unfortunate situation right there. Got a little hot underneath the hood for the number 44. Give a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Seen it, shut it off right away. Fire department right on top of it. So currently we have two vehicles that are out, 21A of Oliver Smith and the 44X of Adam Oakley. As we get the track clear and ready for that countdown, all the officials are ready. And here we go. 3, 2, 1, go! There by Bradley Sedman Jr. in that 16S station wagon. Problem for the number 10 of Morgan Huff, trying to get that 10 started. Oh, and a good hit for the 109. And the 383 Brad Stedman and Justin Whitehouse. And the 54X of Evan Burge, he is out. So is the 63D. That's Logan Daniels, he is out. Number 10, also out. With 6 remaining. He is out. Down to 5. A couple good hits right in there from Bradley Sedman Jr. and that 16S. And the 109 of Justin Whitehouse. Brad Stedman in the 383 backing it up. And the officials caught that. That was a good catch. One of the drivers that was out took his helmet off. You can't do that and still sit in your car. At 383 and 26. 11D is out. That's leaving us 4 remaining. 3, 2, 1, go! And that 109, he's going to take 4th place, ladies and gentlemen. Justin Kleinhaus. Unfortunately, that fire caused that. That means we're down to a final 3. The 26C of Clay Bowman. The 16S of Bradley Stedman Jr. And the 383 of Brad Stedman. We go. 3, 2, 1, go! And Clay Bowman trying to make up his mind what he wants to do. Not working out so well. Oh, and now the 383 of Brad Simmons hooked up on a 26C to get released there. That leaves the 16S of Junior, not moving right now in that station wagon. And now 2 of them tied right up. So on the clock right now, the 16S and it could run into that stalemate with nobody else running out there. Normally a budge or a hit from another car would work, but that's out, so it is that down to these 2. The 16S of Bradley Stedman Jr. takes 3rd. And I don't know if we can get, oh, they got broke loose. Back it up, both of you. 26C taking advantage. Instead of backing up and doing the hit, he's a lot waiting for him to back up and trying to push him into the corner. Separate him. Well, the officials trying to get with them and let them separate. And they're calling it right there. All stop. 26C trying to play defense as Clay Bowman not wanting to make them hits and makes it more of a tug of war trying to wear that other car out. He better watch it though. The officials could go negative on that and take that victory away and give him second. There they go. They get some separation. Now they're doing a little do-side-do. Allemande left. Going to get that last hit and take that other one out. Not much left of either one of them cars. He couldn't take any more. And that's the strategy that he had to use to do it. Ladies and gentlemen, give them both a round of applause right there. As Brad Steeman not going to be able to continue on right there. And a good job by him taking that second place. So the 383 takes second of Brad Stingman. And then first goes to Clay Bowman in the 26C. Well, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for coming out here tonight. All the competitors doing a great job, spending their time and hard effort to bring these Demolition Derby cars out to you here at the Wood County Fair. From all the Fair Board directors and all the 4-H members, thank you for coming out to the 2024 Wood County Fair. And again, to tonight's sponsors, as we had it presented by Thayer Family of Dealers, Perrysburg Pipe, Murphy Tractor and Equipment. Also, our Angry Beaver Award goes to the 16S. That would be your Angry Beaver winner. And that goes to Bradley Stemman Jr. Congratulations on that. He was third place and Angry Beaver winner.